So couldn't get better than today, was it? I mean, it was
It's beautiful.
warm. Just a day to get outside
Not
and
too
enjoy.
hot, not too cold.
Right,
Very enjoyable.
It's really quite nice. 80 degrees east of I-75, a little bit warmer there, but still near the coast. Really nice. Had a chance to get out there, a little Dream 18, and it was beautiful out there this morning.
How'd you do?
Well, not the
We'll have
best.
to wait and see.
Not the best. Not the best. Linda Brun sending this one in from Venice, showing some mid-level clouds coming in, and Venice. This is Carl Gates earlier. This was actually last night. I want to show you some of those photos. A beautiful shot coming in from Venice, and this one was great. Fred Seeger, Casey Key last night. If you have your photos, send them on in to PIX at mysuncoast.com. Weather headlines, again, read like this. We're going to see some patchy fog tonight. We were expecting a little bit of fog this morning, but stronger east wind kept that fog from forming. On top of that, little drier air from the east, too. Cold front fizzles out as it heads in our direction. One thing it will do is leave some residual clouds around, so expect a little bit more cloudiness, especially on Thursday. But it will stay warm, so not to worry. This cold air that you see, which is bringing freezing rain as far south as Texas, is going to really lose its low pressure area and kind of move away. You can see that front coming down. This is Thursday morning, just a thin line of clouds and maybe a few spotty showers inland. That'll be mainly due to the heating of the day. We're expecting highs into the upper 70s to low 80s. And then by Thursday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you can see quite a bit of clouds depicted by this forecast model, and even some fog around too, so that could be an issue on Thursday. Satellite and radar review showing these high clouds continue to stream overhead. Now high pressure is at the surface and continues to dominate our weather, and will do so, it looks like, for the upcoming days. Now that high pressure ridge is going to slip a little bit off to the east, but not too far. It'll be right now just off the coast here, and that's providing us with this east to southeasterly wind, feeding that moisture right on into the low pressure area that's developing to the west of us right now. But for the time being, with this east to southeast wind, we will see the possibility of warm temperatures all the way through the weekend. That's right, it's not going to leave us, it's going to stay there, and a high pressure ridge will get knocked down a little bit with this low pressure area that's now developing over parts of Texas, but that will travel mainly to the north and east, so we're not going to really see that here. The cold front falls apart for the most part, but the clouds around it will still be lingering now and again. 74 our current temperature. It is nice out there. Winds out of the west-northwest at 5. The pressure 30-23, way up there. High today was warm, 79. 72 is our average, and we'll see above average temperatures, as I said, right through the weekend. 74 currently in Sarasota and in Orlando. 75 in Miami. And near the coast, as you would expect, a little bit cooler with that west coast breeze developing earlier today. 68 at Cortez, the Gulf water temperature now at 64. Arcadia at 77 and 78 in Punta Gorda. Tomorrow's forecast calling for a little bit of patchy fog around tomorrow morning. We'll warm up, though, into the upper 70s for highs and low 80s in places like Lakewood Ranch, Parrish, and even into Ellington, right around 78 to 80 degrees there. I mentioned that freezing rain near Dallas and stretching off into Arkansas now. Very cold temperatures over the northern plain states, too, in the Great Lakes. While the European model suggesting maybe 1 or 2 lone showers as well inland Thursday, but not much. On Friday, the rain kind of scoots back to the north of us, and then looks like we'll have another frontal system approaching, but it won't happen until Sunday late and into Monday morning as we get another chance of showers. But all of the weekend looks to be rain-free for the most part. There's a 20% chance for a shower here and there. So for boaters tomorrow, looks good out there. Seas will be running 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now at 64 degrees, and beaches will see a high right around 76. Inland areas, upper 70s to low 80s. Wednesday, Thursday, I mentioned a little bit of increasing cloudiness, and same story on Friday. Nice on Saturday. Sunday, we get a 20% chance for a shower and a 30% chance for Sunday night and Monday morning.